All right, stock ticker symbol OWCP. This is another one that I've seen. I believe Sheepwolf was talking about this one too, but it reminds me a lot of that one because you know what? Sometimes you're just completely off. And guess what? I was completely off. I was off a lot with this one. But that's completely cool with me because you've had massive gains. I said hold at 35. Look, you've more than doubled since. Hold at 47. You've went up another 50% today. So yes, I was wrong on this one. But if we come back here, if you really want to know this one, come back to this date. This is when we first looked at it. And this is where we put it on alert in our stream. So the short term, yeah, I might have been wrong, but the long term, I really don't use that too much as an indicator. But we looked at it, and you guys can all verify this one.
Hey,
yes.
What was the starting price back then on September 29th?
Was it the 29th or 30th? You're right. 0046. You're gonna calculate that
right now? Yeah.
00. Hold on. The 29th. So it's 0046, and it's at 81 cents.
Okay. Oh.
So real quick here before Joe tells you the number, guys. Sterling, OWCP. Yeah, I might have been wrong the last few days because yes, I totally agree with you, Sterling. It's strong, but making me nervous by my feeling. Me too. I mean, it's up there. I mean, it is every indicator of overbought. I've said that the last two I thought I was going to pull back, but you've had consecutive just powering through this thing. So real quick before Joe tells you the number, this is where we originally talked about OWCP. And if you go back to that video, somebody brought it to the YouTube channel. I took a look at it and I put it on alert. For everybody that watches us over here, they know I do not put stocks on alert unless I'm 100% or 80 to 100% sure of it. I try to keep it into that. Sometimes, hey, this is one of those percentiles where I was wrong in the short term, but in the long term was dead on. I seen what was going on in the chart there. I really looked at the way it was gradually climbing, and I said, this one is on alert. That was at, like I said, 0046 on September 29th. You guys could go back and look at that video. That was going to be on the September 29th stream. It's about, I think, an hour and 38 minutes into it or something like that, somewhere around there. But I put it on alert then. And Joe, what is the percent gain since we first put that on alert?
Oh, it's small. No, I'll just show him. It's 17,508. So 17,508%. Yeah.
17,000%. Since me and Joe looked at that for the first time back in September, and we said that this one was on alert. I put it on alert as soon as I seen it. I was wrong the last 3 days, but I think that I could take that for putting this on alert for 17,000%. Okay, I think we can go ahead and cut that half and call it even.
We still gotta reach out to that guy, give him a nice T-shirt.
We gotta get
him a sweatshirt.
Yeah, no kidding. So if you're listening to us, Chris, right? I have his name here. Where was it? On September 29th. Christopher Lundberg. And I put on alert at 0067 was the price. And he nailed it. So, again, and now that I looked at this real quick, I can jump at that last one, Joe. SRNA that we looked at, that last one I put on watch at 10 cents. It's doubled since then. Since it's the same exact time. So everybody, congratulations. OWCP 17,000% since we first put that one on alert. But like I said, I mean, I can't go back. That was the same thing with FOT. A lot of our members, we pick them, or they pick them. We'll look at them way up there since. But I was trying to put that in here to make it a little bit smoother of my hold now looking overbought for the last 3 times that I've looked at it. So on the 9th, though, over here, I said that it had room to run still. Okay, I said that it had room to run on right here. And it did. But then once you got to this point, I said, okay, I think that we got the spinning top right here. I think that we should go ahead and hold it. But if you want my personal opinion, I'm going to be proven wrong here, but I don't think so. Not this time. I think that this is it. Maybe one tomorrow of a spinning top, but if you want profits, lock them in. That's my personal opinion. Yo, what do you got to add?
All right, so there's a press release today from them, and it was OWC Pharmaceutical Research Corp issues annual letter to shareholders. And it was, let's see, through its Israeli-based, fully owned subsidiary One World Cannabis Limited, a developer of cannabinoid-based therapies targeting a variety of different medical conditions and disorders, today released its annual letter to company shareholders. So, I mean, it's kind of extensive. So, I mean, I'm going to post a link to it over there. And then, I mean, I could go down to it. I mean, they have a bunch of different, like a timeline of different things. So I'm just going to go read the conclusion real quick. We're very pleased with the progress that OWCP made during 2016 and look forward to further significant accomplishments in 2017. Most importantly, we are looking forward to beginning the commercial sales of our psoriasis cream, which will hopefully be launched in the United States and Europe. We are also pleased that OWCP was able to receive a $300,000 non-dilutive loan from Medmar to be repaid from royalties from the sale of OWC's psoriasis cream in the U.S. The $300,000 investment from Mike Pro Holdings for OWC's products in Europe is significant, as it also establishes a joint venture company in Europe owned by Mike Pro and OWCP to manufacture and distribute OWCP's products, starting with our psoriasis cream for the European market. OWCP will continue to update and keep you informed regarding our progress this year. Best wishes for 2017, and then signed by Mordechai Bignitz, the CEO. So that, I mean, this right here is definitely something you probably want to go look at, especially since it's up 17,000%. Which is like, great. It's a great way to end your year and start your new year. With a nice 17,000% gain. All right, I'm good, Dave.
All right, so that is OWCP again, 17,000% since we first looked at it. I've been wrong the last few times we looked at it, but now maybe the pullback finally. I think so, possibly. So OWCP, investorshangout.com/live.